Just imagine all the things you could do with that money. $40,000. Your wife will be very happy. Hello, welcome to Richie Bank. How can I help you? Oh, hello. Well, I am here because I need to ask for a loan for my business. Okay, you're in the right place. This bank offers bank loans for small and medium sized businesses. Well, I have a small business. My wife and I decided to start this various products store. We import products from Asia and then resell them in a small shop we opened in our home. The thing is, things aren't going so badly for us, and we want to expand the store. That's why we decided to take out a loan to expand our business. Oh, that's great. Congratulations. And how much money are you asking for? I think we need $20,000. All right, $20,000. I need to verify your information and credit history. This information is crucial to determining whether or not you qualify for a loan. Oh, sure. In fact, I had already asked about a bank loan when we started the business, but they told me it was still too early. So we decided to start with what we had. And now we're doing pretty well. All right. Let me check that on the computer. Yeah, you're right. You asked for a loan 1 year ago. I'm checking your credit history in our system, and it looks like you're a candidate for a loan. Great. Oh, I already have your business plan in the system. That's good. From what I see, I think you won't have any problems with the loan application. Really? Oh, that's great. We've been working hard. Yeah, I see. In fact, according to the system, you can request more money. You can withdraw double that amount, $40,000. With that money, you could expand your business farther and sell more. Um, I don't know. And what would be the interest on that loan? Not much. It depends on how many installments you want to make on the loan. If you pay it off in 36 months, you'd only be paying $1,944 a month. But isn't that almost double the amount of the loan? Well, you could pay it off in less time. If you pay it off in just 2 years, you'd be paying only $2,500 a month. And I see that your business sells more than that amount. So I'm sure you won't have any problems. Um, I think it's best to consult with my wife first. I can't make a decision on my own. Yes, of course. That's a very wise decision. I just thought it would be great to give your wife that great news. Come for 20,000 and arrive with twice as much money. I'm sure she'll be happy that you can do more with that money. It could also show that you have a lot of initiative and that you make big decisions. Just imagine all the things you could do with that money. $40,000. Your wife will be very happy. And we're talking about a business. so it won't be money wasted. I don't know. I mean, you're right. We could do more things with that money, but I am not sure. Come on, my friend. Let's do it. Let's do something. Let's submit the loan application. Just fill out the form and sign it. A simple form won't hurt, so the application will be moving forward. And then when you get home, you'll talk it over with your wife and make the final decision. As long as the loan hasn't been approved, it can still be canceled. So there wouldn't be any problem. And believe me, those requests can take days to be approved. So you'll have plenty of time to think about it and discuss it with your wife. I don't think that's a good idea. $2,500 a month? It's a lot of money. Oh, no problem. We can divide a loan into larger installments. You can pay it in 60 installments. Um, 5 years? I don't know. That's a lot of time. Look, I'm checking your credit history, and I see that you also have a property in your name. And because of that, I see your credit line has increased. If you borrow $70,000 today, you'd only be paying $1,250 for 120 months. Just $1,250. That amount of money isn't a problem for you. I'm sure of it. And when your business grows even more, you'll be able to pay off the loan when you have the full amount with just one application. $70,000? Wow, that's a lot of money. I don't think so. Come on, imagine what you could do with that money. You could buy another location for your business, and then you'd be earning double, and you wouldn't have to work there. You could hire staff to work for you, and you just manage it. You could finally be great business people. I'm sure your wife would love the idea. Tell me something. Don't you want to give your wife the life she deserves? Because she deserves a lot, right? Of course. She deserves everything. She's an excellent woman and very hardworking. You see, you are both very hardworking people. I'm sure you'll do very well with your business. Let's fill out that application and go tell your wife the good news. If she doesn't agree, you'll come and cancel it. What's the worst that could happen? You are right. Okay, I'm going to fill out that application. Do I need any other documents? The documents were already entered into the platform the first time you came. I just need the application and your signature. Okay, let's do it then. This is very exciting. I came for only 20,000 and now we'll have 70,000. We could even travel if we have money left over. That's a great decision. Very well. I've already completed the form and now I'm going to enter it into the system. This could take 1 to 7 days, so don't worry. Go home and discuss it with your wife. If you have any questions, just come back. Oh, and I'll be emailing you information about your installments and loan amount. Perfect. Thank you very much. And you're right. What's the worst that could happen? Anything, I'll come and cancel the loan request. Thank you very much. Exactly. You have made a great decision. Congratulations. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. Have an excellent day. Good afternoon. Oh, you're Mr. Flowers, right? Tell me, what can I do for you? Good afternoon. Well, I talked to my wife. We were doing the math, and for the $70,000 loan, we'd be paying more than double if we paid it off in 10 years. Yes, that's correct. Would you like us to adjust the payment amount and months? No, no. When I got home, I told her we had $70,000 approved, and she wasn't very happy. She said, "Why do we need so much money now? It's still too early." And she's right. We are just starting out in business, and we said we'd grow little by little. It's just that when you mentioned the amount of 70,000, I got excited. Yeah, I understand. I see that your wife didn't like the idea very much. Yes, well, here I am. The good thing is we can cancel it. What do you mean? Yes, the loan. I'll cancel the loan I requested, please. You said that if I didn't agree, I could cancel it, right? Of course, yeah. But you have to cancel it before they approve it. I'm seeing in the system that your loan has already been approved and the money has just been deposited into your bank account. What? How is this possible? I just applied for the loan this morning. You told me it takes 1 to 7 days to get approved. Of course. Today is the first day, so you're within the deadline. You're very lucky. Your loan was approved very quickly. Lucky? Oh my god, what am I going to do now? My wife's going to kill me. I'm so sorry. Really. I'm not really that sorry because I earned a huge commission on your loan. Thank you very much.